Yeah, hi friends. Today we will discuss the second topic, that means the installation of our Angular. That means how to install the Angular. I will tell how the steps, and please follow it. And you can first we have to by following these steps you can install this Angular. So for to run an Angular application, we need Node.js. So first we have to download that Node.js, and then we have to install it. So for that we have to go to that Node.js site. Directly you can search it in Google, just Node.js, and you will be redirected to that site. Yes, Node.js download, and then it will show it this one download, and here according to the OS you can download the version. So I'm using Windows with 64-bit, so I'll go with Windows one. So this I can check. See now, okay. Node.js is downloaded. Now we will install this one. Click on next, select the checkbox and click on next. And again you can specify the path. I will leave it as it is. Install. It will take some time. Now installation is done. So now to check whether the installation is done successfully or not, we can check by using the command prompt. Open a command prompt and give some command, that is npm version. So so now and Node.js is installed with version 8.15. And one more thing is Node version, npm version. Npm is Node Package Manager, and Node version is 16. So now Node.js is installed. So once installation is done, now we have to install Angular CLI. For that, we have one command npm install. This command npm install g for global @Angular CLI. So this command install the Angular. So for that, as it is global, we can load anywhere, but for now in C folder itself, I am directly running the Angular command. Sorry. Okay, npm install. G stands for global. That means Angular is installed globally, and Angular CLI. It will take some time to install. So friends, first we install Node.js, that is the prerequisite for running the Angular application. Then only we can install this Angular CLI. So the second step is run the second command. This is npm install Angular CLI command. And then now Angular installation is done. So we will create a sample application with, that means just like C Sharp or Java, we'll create one simple hello world application. So for that, we have one more command. That means, see, it means we have to give this command to create a new application, new Angular application. ng new, it will create an application with the name hello world. So the hello world is the Angular application, and ng new with the application name will create one new Angular application. So now I'm going to create one new application with the name Angular application with the name hello world. So for that, first, where do you want to install this Angular, create this Angular application? So if you want to create this application in the C folder directly itself, you can directly run that command here, or otherwise you can go to that folder and you have to run this. So for now, I'm just running it in the C folder itself. So Control V. Now see, so now I am creating the new Angular application. So I'm running. This you can give Y. Yeah, you can. It's asking for Angular routing. I will discuss it later. For now, you just give Y. And yeah, CSS is a better option. You can just press enter. So now we are creating a sample Angular application. That Angular application name is hello world. That's it. So it might take some time to create a new Angular application. For now, I'm not skipping any installation process. You can do some fast forward here. Okay. So now our Angular application is created. So where we have created in the C folder. So let us check that one, whether it has created or not. So we'll go to the C and C folders. Okay, see here we have, it has created some application with hello world. So now we will run this Angular application. Now Angular application is created. In order to run that one, first we have to go to that folder path. So now we are in C. As the application is in C hello world, so we have to go to that folder. So for that, I'm giving one command cd hello world. It's nothing but we are going into that folder. So now in this path, we will run our Angular application. So for that, we have one more command, that is ng serve. So ng serv. This is for to run. This command is to run the application, to run our Angular application. So now I am clicking enter. So it will run our application. First we have created application, and then we have to go into that folder, and then we have to run. Yeah, you can. So if you see hello in the hello world, these are the folders and the files which is created by the Angular itself. So we haven't created any files. These are all created by the Angular uh, itself. Whenever we and so now if you see, we have one more folder, that is src folder. There we have all the components and all the files. Don't worry, we will discuss it later. So for now, so now if you check, so successfully now it is running. Angular application is running. Where it is running? It is running in the port 4200. So in order to run that application, we have to go to that port. So it also says Angular live development server is listening to localhost 4200. Open your browser on HTTP localhost 4200. So to see that application, we have to go to the browser and just type localhost colon 4200. See, this is the application which is created. So this is the sample application. So don't worry about all those things. It is all created by the Angular application. So now by default it runs in 4200. We can change the port number also. That is and the topic. So I will discuss all points in summary. So first we have downloaded the Node.js from the site Node.js, and then to check whether the node is installed or not, we ran the command node hyphen version and node hyphen npm. So by this we can check the version numbers and also whether a node is installed or not. And after that, we ran npm install g angular cli. So it installs the Angular. Then globally, then we will create one new Angular application. For that, to create a new application, we have to provide this command ng new hello world. This hello world is your choice. If you want to create any other name, you can give it. Ng new is the command plus application name. So after that, creating that, it will create a new application, and then you have to go into that folder. Wherever it is created, you have to go to that by just cd space and the application name. And the second last command is ng serve. This is for running the application. So generally it will run in 4200 port. So go to that port in the go to localhost 4200 in the browser, and then you can check whether it is running or not. See, this is the so today we have discussed the installation and running the sample application. So we will move to next concept, some advanced concepts in the next class. Thank you, friends. That's all from my side.